there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Beautiful Balloons bundle, which is the stamp set and the dies. It's a really pretty little card, fun with lots of bright colours. I hope you like it. Let's get it made. So bring in a piece of thick basic white cardstock for your card base. It's just half a piece, folded in half and scored. Next I have a piece of new colour. This is one of our new colours. This is Lemon Lolly, and I've gone ahead and already cut and embossed that using the exposed brick 3D embossing folder. Here it is here. I've put a link to all of these products in the description bar below. Let's go ahead and pop that on our card base right now. Not a lot of stamping with this particular card. Only one bit of stamping actually. Right, let's pop that on there. Yep. And I've chosen to use dimensionals to pop that up off the base of the card. Next we've got a piece of the bright DSP or designer series paper, which goes with, sort of coordinates with this bright and beautiful stamp set. And I've gone ahead and cut a piece of bubble bath and used one of our new nested dies. Really like these dies. I've used them quite a lot. And if you haven't seen them yet, I do recommend them. So just pop that straight in the middle of your designer series paper there. Go. Yep. Now I've also got this is one of the dies which is in the Beautiful Balloons die set. Cuts out this gorgeous little tag, and it has little cutouts as well with stars and different cute shapes. So that's going to go on as well. I've gone ahead also and cut the balloons. So I've cut 3 balloons using the Bubble Bath, Berry Burst and Azure Afternoon. Now there are 2 large dies in here that are just the solid balloons. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp one of the sentiments, the Happy Birthday sentiment. Whoops, the Happy Birthday sentiment. I'm going to stamp it in Berry Burst, and it's going to go on an angle so that it fits just perfectly on our balloon. And there it is. Berry Burst on Bubble Bath. Very cute. I'm going to go ahead and pop that straight down on the tag now. Because the tags actually, no, let's go and put our tag on here first. Because that's going to go on an angle. Shall we pop that on with tape or dimensionals? I think dimensionals. And this one in the middle as well. Right, so that is straight. That goes on just a slight angle, just for a bit of fun. Let's put our Happy Birthday on there now, a little bit of tape. Put that straight. And then I've got 2 other small pieces which I've already put dimensionals on the back of. Pop one up there and one down there. Alright. Now I've gone ahead and cut a piece. This is the Night of Navy ribbon. It was a little bit wide for the bow, so I actually just trimmed it down through the middle, which turned out quite well, I thought, because I couldn't find another narrow one in my collection that sort of suited what I was going for. So just make your bow. I might just do it that way and see if I can get it right. There we go. Just have to sort of play around to get the bow just how you want it. There we go. Usually takes me a couple of goes depending on how big you want the bow. I've actually set that up a little bit higher than the other one, but that's okay. Trim that. Alright, let's pop this on with dimensionals as well. So lots of dimensionals on this card, but I think it works because I don't know, just all these different colours, and I don't know, I like it. So yeah, I've put links to all of these products, so if you click on any of them you'll be taken directly to my Stampin' Up store. You can buy, view and buy. Right, so let's pop that on. Yep, I just make that bow a little bit littler. Oh no, here we go. I shouldn't have started fluffing with it, should I? That's the golden rule of bows. Once you get them on, leave it. I broke the rule. Oh dear. You can see what's happening now, can't you? Look, I'm just going to leave it like this because you could be here all day with me getting the bow perfect, but I think it's a pretty little card anyway. So there you have it, a bright and pretty birthday card for somebody in your life that likes pretty and bright cards. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Bye.